know, it's one thing to watch videos, talk with friends, and soak in all the live streams of good players under the sun in order to improve. But it's another thing entirely to translate that to real action that changes how you play. Ideally, these videos and streams give you ideas that you can take into the Crucible to try out, provided of course that you're in a good enough headspace to do so. My approach so far to this channel has been rather studious in nature, like a professor elaborating on a subject to a classroom of students. But as we push for 40,000 subscribers on our road to 100k, the approach must vary to account for a greater number of students. People learn in different ways and benefit from seeing different kinds of educational content. What works for one person doesn't necessarily mean it's going to work for someone else. So today's video is the first foray in branching out of my usual classroom bubble with live commentary. I recorded this video live to a handful of people watching in my Discord server, The Tribe. I spent a morning just hanging out and live commenting games, and this was the highlight of the entire session, so I wanted to put this on the channel to kickstart the variety. It's definitely not the best live commentary type video in the world. I certainly have a while to go before I can reach the levels that others have set. Though enough of you have asked me to make this kind of content in the comments of other videos as well as in the Discord server, so I hope that you find it useful nonetheless to see how I approach the game and how the wheels turn in my head. I've been experimenting with doing more 1v1 content, coaching sessions, and other informational formats, so if you like this style of video, please let me know in the comments below if you like it. You can be negative, positive, or ambivalent. All I ask is that you're constructive in your delivery. The better the feedback, the better the content I can make in response. The link to the Discord channel is in the description below if you want to catch these recordings live, or if you want to participate in our weekly scrim sessions. But that's enough out of me, let's get to the meat of the video. I'm Ascendant Nomad, and I'm your Crucible Doctor. Hope you enjoy the video. I'm gonna go straight outside, I'm gonna wait for the pulses to show themselves. Throw a smoke, see what happens. Oh, that somehow worked. There's gonna be a guy pulsing. Oh, I'm in a bad spot here. I don't know if that hit anybody. Probably not. See, going straight off the rip like jab forward, the outside lane is a very popular one for people to rush. I'm not quite sure why, but people love it. And you either fight it or you flee from it. Oh my god, okay. Way too many people to deal with. I'm gonna set up for a push on B, because I feel like that's what's gonna happen next. No, I'm completely wrong. Nope, I'm completely right. It just took them a while. As you saw from that, ladies and gentlemen, flinch is a social construct. Well, at least on PC anyways. Okay, we're taking our time to get into this game, but we will get into it, I feel. Our instincts are right, we've got people on the outside here. Good 2-tap. There's a guy over there, 2 people in front of me. I gotta wait for my health here before I challenge this again. Yeah, I need help here, and I'm not getting it, so I'm out. That was a bit of a risky disengage. This should be in mid. I'm gonna just throw that in there. Okay, I've got a healing rift here, so that helps. I'm also gonna disengage. I need help and I'm not getting it. They're all on B. We got people coming in from C spawn. I think that might have been the sniper that killed me earlier, so I'm not gonna chance it. It was. Called it. And he couldn't deal with the verticality. I don't think he was expecting it. There's still people on C. I'm just gonna... No, too many people. Oh, teammates are here. I don't know, left or right, probably right. Yeah, lots right. See if we can get a cheeky. Ah, he got me. He had the upper hand in the approach to that engagement. I walked into his lane, so I took too long to adjust. There's people in front of me, I gotta back out of this. One guy along my left. Pulsing as well. Cool. Hello, pulse person. Let's help our teammate here with this. I'm gonna try and keep myself safe in the process of doing this too. It looks like they're all inside mid. I'm gonna readjust and come around to our 2 teammates on B. We've got a hammer. This guy's gonna be in front of me, so... There we go. All the time I'm trying to read the radar and try and get a sense of what's going on. Looking at your teammates is very important too. Come on, teammate, get that kill. There's a guy on C spawn. Half. There's a guy in front of me. Got you last time. See heli. Well, that's a bold strategy, Cotton. Did it work out for him? Not particularly. Alright, looks like an A spawn, so this is perfect for this. Okay. Debated.
Zone advantage is yours. Double down. Yes. 3 down.
Okay, I'm out. You win. That did some damage, not enough though. And this guy's just gonna keep bouldering. Oh! Very nice teammate with the rocket launcher. See heli, there looks to be just 1, 2, 3 now on capping. Let's see if we can get a cheeky kill. There is a Wither Horde active. No. And there was a guy right next to me. I think I might have overcommitted that. Okay. All the supers in front and I'm spawning into someone. Cool. He's coming towards B. I'm getting out of here. I might die though. And I'm running into people. What is this spawn, dudes? Let's just try and kill somebody. Because I'm pretty much dead anyways. Turn around. Somehow got a kill. Sometimes the game will put you in a really bad situation and you can either take the L or you can take someone down with you, and that's usually my play. There's a Spectral in front of us. And a Sniper. He's absolute, we got him. Good, there's gonna be a person in front of us and to our left. I'm gonna probably push the guy on the left. And somehow came away with that. And here comes the Thunder Crash. Easy cleanup. In and amongst the chaos you can just like sit back and put some damage in and you might get something out of it. That sniper's not there anymore. Let's go back to B because I think that's probably going to be the play here. They're making a line for B. Nothing. That's an unfriendly Wither Horde. He's off and I'm in deep shit right now. I didn't finish that guy off? Oh my god. Just a comedy of errors there. If you can't get the W, just back off.
This is amazing.
Somehow I got that kill. Swashbuckler at work, thank you very much. And we're gonna have people coming in to harass my teammate here. Yep. Too many people. He's gonna get f***ed. There you go. I'm gonna have to censor this video. Holy. When I get stressed, just the F-bombs come flying. Don't be a gamer on YouTube, folks. There's a guy around the corner here. Of course he had a heavy. Snapshot of the game, we're 1 away to 87. We need a second zone if we want to win this game. We have 3 minutes left, but I think this game will be over in about a minute. And there's the golden. Can we do it? Did he kill him? I don't know. I'm gonna say yes. What is going on here? I'm gonna have my second super. They'll be spawning at A.
Zone C captured. You have advanced.
They're all in glass. I'm gonna leave them alone. They know. Little factoid, most people suck at tracking. So if you zigzag with your spectral blades,
3 minutes left.
You're gonna have a lot more success than if you were to Rickon stalk it. But I think that's just a general rule of life. Don't Rickon stalk anything.
On. Finish it. Zone C locked. You have advanced.
That was a weird wombo. There's people in front of me. He's low. I could probably finish him, but there's too many people I could disengage, and I died. I shouldn't have gone for the entranceway there. I should have just backed out to rocket. That way we would have had the pillar for cover. It was a bad push anyways, people in front of me. No. Super, let's see what we can do. No. I need more. Come back out, come back out. No, he's actually gonna... Nice. Maybe we can pick up that orb. It's not gonna... That is gonna make a difference, but... People in front of us. He actually repeaked that, and I missed the shot. Amazing. Cannot write that. Well, we got 5 kills to win, so we'll do our best. And that should be a pretty... I think it was a pretty topsy-turvy game for me on the whole. I definitely didn't play my best. I had some good moments. But overall, I think I managed the engagements pretty well.
A victory well executed.
GG's. Let's see the post-game screen. I think that might have been a 2.5 or something like that. It was a 3.2. Okay. So overall, not bad. Very low in the captures. Not good if you're playing Control. Could have been better. I think there were a couple of times where I made the wrong decision to rush into too many people. But I definitely went into that game thinking I'm going to kill people rather than play the control point. And if I had a criticism for me, it would be to just capture more zones and also play with your team more. But I felt like for me personally, I was a little bit more emotionally compromised for that game. I wanted to have an effect and take control of it via means of killing, which is not a strategy I recommend all the time. But when you're looking to practice the fundamentals, absolutely look to kill before capturing the zone. If you're looking to win and build your game sense, look to capture, look at the game more, take a snapshot of the game, as we'll be talking about in the game sense video. So, yeah. I hope my process was informative and you took something away from it. Depending on the feedback, I'll either continue to do more or I'll shift entirely away from these videos, so please drop your thoughts below if you have some. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, you know what to do. My name is Ascendant Nomad, and I'm your Crucible Doctor. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.